Your engine suddenly feels like it has lost all its muscle, and you are struggling just to get up a tiny hill that your car used to climb without even downshifting. This frustrating loss of power is a classic sign of the code P003A, which relates to the turbocharger or supercharger boost control AE position exceeding its learning limit. Essentially, your engine control module, or EECM, has a specific range of movement it expects from the boost control arm, and when it sees that arm moving too far or not far enough, it triggers this code to prevent you from blowing up your engine. Turbochargers use exhaust gases to spin a turbine that forces more air into your cylinders. But that pressure has to be regulated perfectly by moving little vanes inside the charger. When these vanes get stuck or the control lever gets bent, the air and fuel mixture goes completely out of whack. This can lead to a dangerous overboost or underboost situation, and that is why your car might go into a fail-safe or limp mode. You might also notice a massive decrease in throttle response or even an intermittent stumbling while you are cruising. One of the best tips I can give you is to check for exhaust soot buildup. If you drive a diesel or an older gas turbo, carbon can get trapped in those vanes and physically stop them from moving. Before you go out and buy a brand new turbo which costs a fortune, try to manually move the lever that connects the solenoid to the charger housing while the engine is cool. If it feels stuck or gritty, a good cleaning might be all you need. Also, pay very close attention to the wiring harnesses near the turbo. The heat generated in that area is intense enough to cook the insulation off the wires over time, leading to shorts or high resistance. Check your connectors for any green corrosion or signs of water getting inside the plugs. Sometimes, simply cleaning a connector with some electrical cleaner and ensuring a tight fit can clear the code and bring your car back to life. It is much better to spend an hour inspecting these small details than to replace expensive components that were never the actual problem.